Okay, guys, Cajun style chicken. It is fried chicken. First, I have my chicken already clean and cut up. I just added some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, some onion powder. Guys, the seasoning, I guess I always tell you, the ones that don't have salt, you could add as much as you like. Okay. All I do is cover. Now, this seasoning right here is garlic herb. It's salt free. I get it from RD, and I'm telling you, this season is awesome. So if you have an RD nearby, go get you that garlic herb salt free seasoning. It is awesome. All right. Now, here I just added some dry thyme, and I'm also adding some crushed whole oregano. You already know I love my oregano. As you can see, guys, look at how I'm seasoning that chicken. I'm massaging it. And basically, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more over the top again and massage it. So while we are seasoning this chicken, guy, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button. Help your sister out. Hit that like button so I can continue to bring you more great recipes. And don't forget that bell icon, which is the notification icon, that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get what, guys? You already know, that front seat. All right, guys, so here, as you can see, look at that chicken. Look how that seasoning stood there. I actually let this chicken sit in my fridge for 2 days. 2 days. And that seasoning just grab into that chicken. And when I tell you, woo, man, I felt like I was eating the holidays, okay? So now I'm preparing my wet ingredients to dip my chicken. So I put 3 eggs. As you can see, I whisk it. And guess what? It's Louisiana Cajun style chicken. So you can't forget that Louisiana style hot sauce. So you add as much as you like, guys. It all depends how spicy you want your chicken to be. All right, there is no right and wrong here. Like I always said, welcome to my channel, and let's have fun together. All right, so now I just added regular whole milk. All right, regular whole milk, and I'm whisking everything really good. And I could usually judge how much hot sauce I want by the color of the mixture, as you can see. So I decided to add a little bit more of that hot sauce. And now I'm going to start putting my chicken in here. Now, when I put my chicken inside the wet mixture, guy, I let it sit in the counter for at least a good 10 minutes so it becomes closer to a little room temperature, because you don't want your chicken to be real cold when you're going to fry it. Trust me, you get a better technique like this. All right, so here I got plain all-purpose flour, as you can see, and I'm just adding some of the seasoning that I already added to the chicken. You got to season your flour, guys. You know, I like my black pepper, as you can see. All right, but you could add as much as you like or as little as you like of every seasoning, guys, of any seasoning. All right, or leave some of those seasonings that you may not like. I don't know. It's all preference. Okay, you do what you like to do. All right, I'm doing what I like to do, and I'm teaching you how I do it. Okay. So here I'm making sure that all the seasonings are spread out through that flour. My chicken been sitting there for a good 8-10 minutes. Now I'm shaking off some of that, and I'm going to start breading my chicken. Don't overcrowd your bag. I do like 2 pieces at a time. So like that, when I'm moving it around, you know, that's a gallon size Ziploc bag. But you could use whatever you have, guys. There's no right or wrong. You could even use a bowl if you want to do it like that. I just find it like more easy like this, and I could get every little corner of that chicken. And even then, as you can see, I opened the bag. And I'm making sure that chicken getting enough love. And meanwhile, while I've been doing this, guys, I have my oil heating up on medium low. Okay, my stuff goes to number 10. So basically, I have it on number 5. All right, you don't want to fry your chicken on very high heat because your outside is gonna burn and then your inside is not really cooked. And one thing with chicken, guys, you don't want to get sick. That's one meat you want to make sure it's well cooked, but not only well cooked, but nice and tender and juicy. Okay, crispy outside, yes, but nice and tender and juicy. Okay, and this is exactly how this chicken came out. And the whole time I am frying it on medium. On medium. Like I said, my stuff is number 10, so I have it on number 5. And look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Oh, and did I tell you I let it marinate for 2 days in the fridge? Oh, yes, I did. And when I tell you it came out so good, guys, so tasty. And I ate this chicken, guys, which that recipe I already posted, and I'm going to put the link below. The dirty rice. Oh, guys, that rice came out good. Oh, that came out good. And I ate it with some good string beans and the chicken. Woo, that was a delicious, delicious meal. Okay. Also, when I'm frying my chicken, as you can see, I only do like 2-3 pieces at a time. You never overcrowd your pot. Make sure it has enough room to dance and to breathe so it could cook evenly. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's part of the breast. And I know, let me know, guys, also, because I don't put a whole breast. These breasts nowadays, they be too big. Listen, I feel out of one breast, you could get 2 to 3 pieces. It depends how big the breast is. And I like to cut it the long way. If you like for me to show you how I cut my chicken, I could always make a video on that. Let me know on the link, on the description below, in the comments, if you like for me to show you how I cut my chicken. But this is the final result, guys, and it was delicious, delicious, delicious. And don't forget to pair it up with that dirty rice, okay? And leave me some comments. I love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.